Hello everyone, today I am showing you an easy and delicious recipe of chicken patties. So without further ado, let's get on with lots of cooking. For making this recipe, take 500 grams of boneless chicken, then add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt along with 1 tablespoon of green chili paste and mix everything together. Once the chicken is mixed, boil it with 500 ml of water along with 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander and wait until the chicken is completely cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer it in a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. Then shred the chicken and be careful not to over shred the chicken pieces, else it will turn into minced chicken. Once the shredded chicken is ready, move on to the next step. For that, melt 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. The medium heat is to ensure that the butter does not get burnt. Then add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 peeled and grated carrot, 1 finely chopped capsicum, along with 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until all the vegetables have cooked. After 5 minutes, add half a cup of milk. Mix it evenly and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Lastly, add 2 boiled potatoes, give it a final mix and transfer it in a bowl. Add the shredded chicken to it and mix all of it together. And once it's mixed evenly, grease your hands with some oil and shape the mixture into patties of desired sizes. Once the patties are ready, keep it aside. Take 1 egg, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, mix it well, then add 2 tablespoons of water, mix it again and keep it aside. Then first, dust your patty with plain flour. Then dip it in prepared egg mixture. Lastly, roll it in breadcrumbs. And finally, fry it over medium to high heat. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. These patties do not taste good if they are baked or grilled. They taste amazing only when fried. Once the patties are fried from both the sides, drain the excess oil. And here you have your most amazing chicken patties ready. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.